Take photos with a mobile phone. Go to the AlgoLaser app homepage. Search for the Pixi machine. Enter the LP address. Confirm the machine parameters. Click on the machine icon at the top. Find File Manager. Click the Upload icon. Select the image that needs to be uploaded. Click Confirm. When it shows that the upload is successful, return to the main page and click Disconnect Device. Place the photo paper in the engraving area. Use the focusing column and adjust the Z-axis screw. Select the transferred image. Set the engraving material and parameters. Choose appropriate engraving parameters according to your engraving needs. Adjust the size of the picture. Click the frame button to view the engraving area. Click to start engraving.